Bay. Happy birthday, first of all. And I just wanna tell you na ang wish ko po for your birthday is good health and protection from God, and you stay healthy without any sickness. And that's all. Happy birthday and more birthday to come. Bye!
Happy birthday, Papa Bay. More birthdays to come, more candles to blow. Thank you so much for your love, care, and support for the exclusive farm. And enjoy your day. And happy birthday again.
Hi Kuya B. Happy birthday. I hope you have a wonderful day. Happy birthday, Papa Bay.
Happy birthday po, Tito Pogi. At may this special day bring you joy and happiness and precious memories. And sana po palagi ka po mag-iingat at ayun po. Sana po masaya ka po ngayong kaarawan mo po. Ayun lang po. God bless.
So, happy birthday po sa ating pinakapoging si Papa Bay. God bless po and stay safe always.
Hello po, good day. Happy birthday po pala kay Papa Bay. Sana po mag-enjoy po kayo ngayong kaarawan ninyo. And wish you all the best po from Liza Soberano. Pero, layo. Hindi ko siya kamukha. From Totoro po pala.
Hi, Papa Bay! I'm Sia, yung pinaka-cute mong anak sa WePlay. Happy birthday po, Papa Bay. Enjoy your day. Thank you po kasi lagi ka nandyan para sa akin. Supportive ka para sa akin. And hindi ka po nagkulang sa pagpapaalala na kaya mo yan. Malalagpasan mo din yan. Nandyan ka po Papa palagi para sa akin. Hindi lang naman po para sa akin, nandiyan ka rin po para kay Soul. Happy po kami na nagkaroon kami ng papa na katulad mo. Lalong-lalo na ako, Papa. I'm so happy to have you. I love you, Papa. I love you so much. Enjoy your day. Happy birthday po ulit, Papa Bay.
Hi, Daddy P! Happy birthday po. More birthday to kami. More blessing to kami po. Then, thank you po sa mga, sa mga help po na kapag din, pag kailangan po kayo is ready to help po kayo. Daddy P. And more birthday to kami po. And huwag po kakalimutan lagi mag-pray and mag-thank you po kay Daddy. And, kay Mami po, ayan, stay strong po sa inyong dalawa. We love you so much, Daddy Bay. Yun lang po. Bye!
Hi Ate Sue, happy birthday! Gusto ko lang sabihin na I'm very happy that you became a friend of mine here sa WePlay and sa personal. And I pray na lagi kayong healthy ni Ninang. Also, si Papa, lagi kayong happy and lahat ng gusto nyong gawin magagawa ninyo or nagagawa ninyo. Sana magkaroon ka pa ng maraming friends dito sa WePlay, knowing na you are a very friendly person. And sana ma-enjoy mo yung araw mo. Happy birthday, Ate Sue, and I love you so much.
Ayun, happy birthday to my favorite person. Wishing all the best, and may your birthday be filled with joy, laughter, and everything you love. Yun, wish ko long life, good health sa inyo ni Mare. So, na-appreciate namin lahat ng exclusive fam, inyong support, sacrifice, and love. And enjoy your day. See you soon. And happy birthday.
Day, Papa Bay. I wish na matupad yung wish mo yung birthday mo. And mag-enjoy ka lang po ngayong birthday mo, Papa Bay. Because this day is your special day po. I love you, Papa Bay. I love you both ni Mama po. Hope to see you soon po, Papa Bay. I love you. And alagaan mo po sarili mo lagi. Huwag na magpaka-stress masyado. alagaan mo rin po kalusugan mo. I love you.
Happy birthday po, Papa Bay. Thank you so much po for existing. I always thank Papa God po because He gave us a person who is kind, who love us and unconditionally, and deeply care for us. Ano po, Papa, I'm so thankful po na dumating ka sa buhay namin, na nakilala kita, Papa, kasi parang hindi na magiging kompleto yung life ko if wala ka. Kaya I'm really thankful, Papa, na I met you here. And ikaw yung isa sa mga dahilan kung bakit ako bumabangon, kung bakit ako nananatili pa rin sa WePlay. Kasi you guys makes me happy, especially you and Mama. Kaya thank you so much, Papa Bay. I love you so much. Sana i-enjoy mo po yung birthday mo. Sana lahat ng wish mo po matupad. I love you.
Happy birthday, my love. Today is all about celebrating you, the amazing person who fills my life, love, joy, laughter, and all the craziness. Thank you so much for being the best partner, not just here in WePlay, but also in real life. I love you so much, my forever sunshine. Happy birthday.